In 2023, there are many decent laptops available for under $500, making it difficult for potential buyers to decide. While some wish to buy a Chromebook for academic purposes, others want a decent Windows 11 laptop that suits their professional requirements. In both cases, e-commerce websites are filled with uncountable models from companies worldwide. First up on the list is the Acer Chromebook 317. For $259, it offers decent specifications such as 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of onboard storage, and the Intel Celeron N4500 dual-core processor. Thanks to Chrome OS, users can access thousands of Play Store apps. However, the main selling point of this device is its display. The Chromebook has a 17.3-inch FHD IPS screen that provides a larger workspace than other models in the segment. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i is among the best convertible Chromebooks on a budget. For $299, the Chromebook comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD storage to give users extra space to store their files. Under the hood, the Chromebook runs on an Intel Core i3 dual-core processor with a max turbo frequency of 4.10 GHz, which adds to the device's overall performance. Although Lenovo claims to provide a battery life of up to 10 hours, users should expect a reasonable 7 to 9 hours from this one. Next up on the list is another convertible laptop from California-based manufacturer HP, Chromebook X360. It costs $329, and the company provides a multi-purpose stylus pen for the additional price, which sounds more like a gimmick but gets the job done. The stylus works like an actual ballpoint pen, has a soft, rubberized tip for use with the touchscreen, and a tiny 64 GB flash drive to extend the Chromebook's storage. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is for users who want an affordable 15.6-inch Windows 11 laptop. For $398, the device offers a whopping 20 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hybrid storage, 1 TB M2. SSD plus 128 GB SSD startup disk, which is pretty rare at this price point, making the laptop ideal for multitasking and storing multiple files. However, the excellent memory configuration is combined with the entry-level AMD Athlon Silver 3050U processor. Securing the third position is the HP 17 Windows 11 laptop. It is among the most affordable Windows laptops with a 17.3-inch HD Plus display. Under the hood, the device features an Intel Core i3 11th generation processor, with Intel UHD graphics, 4 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of fast SSD storage. Along with that, users also get up to 8 hours of battery life.